Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for three lead actresses which have been named by Narcotics Control Bureau for questioning. So they have been asked to appear in front of Narcotic Control Bureau for questioning. One is Shraddha Kapoor, daughter of famous villain Shakti Kapoor. Then Sara Ali Khan, daughter of Saif Ali Khan, and Deepika Padukone. So what's going to happen? I'll start with Shraddha Kapoor. Present looks difficult. She is really worried about the summons, but gradually things will settle down. There will be some way out. She will find a way out and things will be okay. Looking at these cards, certainly things are going to be okay. And yes, she is having some kind of connection with the real culprits. Well, most of the Bollywood, more than 50% of Bollywood must be having connection, some sort of connection with them, but that does not make them the real culprit. So, but she is going to find a way out of this. Then Sara Ali Khan, very important cards. She is really struggling with this, and she is finding it difficult what she will answer, what she will say. Next 3-4 months till December, not at all good. Year 2021, again difficult period. Justice card. So some kind of involvement in with judiciary. So looks like further she will be inviting further troubles. So not a very good period, and maybe she is more involved than these two actresses in this drug angle. So may God bless her. She is very young, and may she gets a second chance. Then Deepika Padukone. Now looking at her cards. First, Hangman. So right now she is unable to decide what to do, how to go ahead. She is really in a rut whether to go for questioning or not. If not, then what? She is unable to do anything, but say in next 10-15 days looks okay. Again, period till December looks good. Year 2021 looks good. So one thing here I can see is, if at all she comes for questioning, she will come and she will go. Nothing more will happen. And high possibility that she might go abroad, out of India, for a holiday or for shooting in later this month, in this year, till the things settle down. But I don't think here, looking at these cards, she might have consumed some kind of drugs, but I don't think there is very high. She is highly involved in this. No, I don't think she is highly involved in this drug racket. She might have asked for some once or twice. That's it. That's what I can make out from these cards. But yes, real trouble will be for Sara Ali Khan. So that's it for now. In future, as and when the names will pops up, new names, I'll do readings for them, and my next reading will be for Salman Khan, his brother, and for other few others whose names are doing rounds in the media. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.